morning, children. Good morning, Chappella.
Good morning, sir.
Okay. What is your good name? My name is.
My name is Agmeshwar Reddy, sir.
Which class are you studying in?
I
am studying in.
I am studying in second class.
Which is your favorite subject? My favorite subject is.
My favorite subject is
Mathematics. సో మీరు మొత్తం పెద్ద సెంటెన్స్ చెప్పలేకపోయినా మ్యాథమెటిక్స్ అని అన్నా కూడా సరిపోతుంది. ఓకేనా? అండ్ దెన్ సో విచ్ ఈస్ యువర్ ఫేవరెట్ ఫ్రూట్?
Banana, sir.
Banana. Okay. And then which is your favorite color?
Color. Green, sir.
Green. Okay. What is your good name?
Sir, my name is Samyukta.
Samyukta. Which class are you studying in, Samyukta? Second class. Calm down, sir. Calm down. Okay. And then which is your favorite subject? Mathematics. Which is your favorite movie? Cinema. Favorite movie? Don't know. Okay. Then who is your favorite hero?
Hero is only
Heroine? No. Which is your favorite subject? English. Okay. Done. What is your good name?
My name is Jay Shri.
Shri Pallavi. Which class are you studying in, Shri? I am
studying in second class.
Okay. Which is your favorite subject?
My favorite subject is English.
Okay. And then which is your favorite color?
My color blue, sir.
My favorite color is
My favorite is
blue. Which is your favorite fruit?
orange, sir.
Orange. Okay. What is your good name? Sandeep. Okay. Which is your favorite subject? Telugu. And then which is your favorite color? Orange. Okay. And then what is your good name?
My name is Harshita.
Harshita. Which class are you studying in, Harshita? Second class. Which is your favorite subject? Maths. Which is your favorite color? Pink. Okay, super. సరే ఇప్పుడు నేను 2 సెంటెన్సెస్ చెప్తా. 2 సెంటెన్సెస్ చెప్తా. ఆ 2 సెంటెన్సెస్ మీరు కలిపి ఒక సెంటెన్స్ గా చేయాలి అండు పెట్టి. ఓకేనా? ఐ లైక్ ఇంగ్లీష్, ఐ లైక్ తెలుగు. హర్షిత.
I like English and Telugu.
ఓకే, సూపర్. ఐ లైక్ ఇడ్లీ, ఐ లైక్ పూరి. ఓకే, సూపర్. ఐ లైక్ అల్లు అర్జున్, ఐ లైక్ రామ్ చరణ్ తేజ.
I like Allu Arjun and
రామ్ చరణ్ తేజ. ఓకే. ఐ లైక్ వంతాటిపల్లి, ఐ లైక్ లింగంపల్లి. లింగంపల్లి, సూపర్. ఓకే. సో ఐ కెన్ స్పీక్ ఇంగ్లీష్, ఐ కెన్ స్పీక్ తెలుగు. సూపర్. ఓకే. I can write with pen, I can write with pencil. I can write with pen, I can write with pencil. I can write with pen and pencil. Okay. I can run fast, I can walk fast. Chiri.
I can run fast and Rice fast.
No. I can
I can
run
run
and
and
walk
walk
fast.
fast.
Okay. So I like blue. I like pink.
I like blue and pink.
Okay. I like English. I like mathematics.
I like English and mathematics.
Mathematics. Okay. I can sing. I can dance.
I can sing and dance.
Super. Stop करो.